think I can fit through that. I think... Yeah, this is why you get a bike. And I get to go all the way up here. Oh, there's so much traffic at this time. And it's so hot. Alright, so... A guy in one of my videos commented about asking me if I would flip and dip. Is basically when you can, you know, flip your plate, your number plate up or down, hide it, you know, for some sneaky shenanigans. And he asked, like, how do you avoid tickets and stuff when you're riding around town? There's so many undercover cops everywhere. And to answer in short, yes, there are a lot of undercover cops. Even I don't notice them. And avoid tickets. I've not got a single ticket in 1 year of riding this bike. So, and I don't plan on buying a flip and dip. I don't have one. My friends do. Some of my friends do. And they also tend to get in stuff with the cops a lot. I'm not that kind of guy. And I don't plan on all of that. But just want to tell you guys a little something. Let's make this first. It's just going to be a short one today. But look, yes, it is true. There's a lot of undercover cops where I'm living here. And there's like a huge crackdown going on where they're like kind of, you know, going hard, really hard on people with bikes with like aftermarket loud exhausts and people who don't have licenses. And they set up a camera on the roads every other week. There's a new camera. There's like so many cameras here right now. Holy shit, how am I gonna... Jeez. Okay, passing through. Please be nice to me. Oh, he wants to turn right. Please look at me. Bro, get in, buddy. Yeah, so there's a lot of like cameras and stuff, but you know, I'm in the city, I don't really ride. Oh shit, what the fuck did he come from? That's not even part of the road. Okay, people are crazy. People in cars are crazier than I am on a bike. You know what? Let's get ambitious. I'm gonna... I am scared. Yeah, but you know, this is the city. Look at the traffic. Look at that. Like I mentioned, people are crazy over here. You don't want to be risking all that just for like 10 minutes of fun, you know? And yes, I'm on like a super sports bike, or even if I was on a liter bike, these things are meant to go fast. You're not gonna go the speed limit all the time, right? Everybody knows that. Where is this guy riding? This what? Woman! That's not even... What is going on? That's not even part of the road. Okay, alright. Yeah, and half of these cops even ride bikes, so they know what it's like. They know that bikers are generally faster than cars, right? Bikes generally are a lot faster than your normal cars. And they know people are gonna get the itch to, you know, go fast here and there. So I would say you have to be smart about it. You can't just be speeding everywhere, right? And hold up. Oh boy. Of course, I do go a bit over the speed limit here and there. But like, I'm smart about it. Like, I use Waze. I know where. I've ridden these places enough to know where the cameras are. Even then, I still use like the map to see where the cameras are. I diligently, overtake cars, not like a reckless idiot. So, ooh, people in scrubs. A lot of doctors here. Is that scrubs? Yeah, like cops know that you're on a bike, you're gonna tend to speed, and like I'm not the kind of guy who goes straight line, hit the top speed or anything like that. Look at that cop. But I've not been in any altercation with the cops, like ever, because I don't ride like a dickhead. That's it. On the track I've been on, that's a different story. I'll ride like a maniac because I know it's much safer. I know the medical team is there if anything happens. And the roads are just better. They're maintained. These kind of roads, no. So, and cops are actually pretty nice sometimes. I had my friends and we were doing like a fast run in the tunnel, and he was going way over the speed limit, and there was an undercover cop in front of him. He flashed the lights on him, but he didn't pull him over. He flashed the lights for 2 seconds. Because he is also kind of looking out for him. Like, he's not trying to be a dickhead. And so, and after, when you ride for a while in a city, you kind of get like a spidey tingle, you get a spidey sense of where you can kind of like speed up and where you shouldn't. You get that kind of sense, you know what I'm talking about? Like, if I'm on a long stretch of empty road, I'll speed, but not all of them, because I kind of know like something is not right here, because a cop car could be anywhere behind the corner, just speed with a speed gun. Alright, but yeah, that's about it. No Flipndip for me. No tickets for me. Not today, sir. I'm gonna fuel up my bike. But... oh, it's so hot. I really want a coffee too. I'm recently really addicted to coffee. Like, I get it at least every day. Or if not, like once in 2 days. Something's off. Something's going on. I'm gonna go fuel up. If you guys want to stick around, you can for a bit. If not, get out of here, man. Look at that cyclist crossing in the red light. He thinks he's better than me. He's lucky I'm turning right. Okay, no hate to cyclists, because I used to be one. But I did not cross at a red light. Why do they always cross when it's a red? Like they're asking for it, So you're on the road, but you're following your own rules. I don't get that. found another competitor. Alright. This guy's a better one. He hasn't crossed yet. He's not a real cyclist. Let's see what you got. Okay. He takes off far better than earlier. He gets away this time too, because I'm turning left.